Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I will be explaining a few more latest features of ScriptEditorPro. So in the regular script editor, at a times we want to move the tab, that's not possible, and we can't comment some lines if we want. We can't do that lines also. We can't comment by using Ctrl plus // So yeah, for this tab we can rename the tab. In this case, let me add one more, this one. Okay, I'm just pasting some content here. Now we can see that it will be highlighting just like we have seen earlier. Group. So these things we can see here. So it is getting updated, and if we click on something else, it will get updated where we are working. This interconnectivity is there between outliner and editor. So now I want to rename this tab. So right click and rename. 𝑘𝙤𝙪𝙧, and I can move this tab wherever I want. So at this point of time, I have updated the ScriptEditorPro for this feature. Even though I close the tab, when I reopen, I am reopening from here, from the script editor itself. So we can see that 𝘼𝙪𝙬 is still available. So this is still available, and it will save the content where we want that information. We can open from here also. And couple of other things what I can explain today. So if I want to indent, if I want to comment, I can use Ctrl // we can see that. So it will toggle the action. Tab and Shift tab will do spacing for all the selected lines. In this case, there is a problem in regular script editor. So these are the latest updates. If I want to enter one more definition, we can see that. The moment I enter, it will add one tab space here. And if I enter from here, it will be considering the previous space, exactly how we want. It will do the job. So we can rename the tab also. We can move the tabs. Whenever we close the script editor, advanced script editor, so it will save the content also. And we can see some settings. Yeah, we can see that it is getting updated. So there was an error, that's why outliner is not getting updated. The moment we remove the errors, it will get updated. Yeah, that's it guys for now. Thank you once again. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be explaining 3 more advanced features of ScriptEditorPro. So as I have explained in previous videos, we can see that ScriptEditorPro is available from here, and from my personal menu also it is available. One of the feature I like most and I expected in my ScriptEditor is something like if I click it on anywhere, it will highlight that particular function in the editor. And other features are like yes, this is one of my most favorite feature. Then it is a two-way action. Suppose if I click it on, it will highlight. If I click it on, it will highlight there also. In a real time, both will get updated. If I click it here, it will highlight here also. Yeah, we can see that Python script executed successfully from here. Now we can check it one more time. A different feature this time. Suppose at a times I am in need of some of the script I copy from Eclipse or PyCharm to test for quick test or quick use in my ScriptEditor. That time when I use indent or unindent, this problem I am facing. So every time I have to go back and do, or I have to do another setup separately, something like this. It entirely doesn't move during unindent time. So this is where exactly this customized ScriptEditor is useful. So in this case, we can see that this one we can see that syntax errors are highlighted with a red mark. So in a real time it will be highlighted. So now we can see it is moving back. So now no errors are there. Suppose in case if I by mistake if I enter here, we can see that syntax errors are highlighted. I am pressing tab. So yeah, this is how this tool is useful. When I run, if there are any errors, it will show that name selected poses are is not defined. So in this case, yeah, this is how. So in coming days, mostly I am going to use this ScriptEditorPro written by me. Yeah, that's it. These 3 are the latest updates: syntax errors, indent, unindent, and real-time sync with outliner versus editor. So we can add more buttons like this. Yeah, in Null I don't have outliner option as of now. So some other additional features which I have presented in previous videos, we can watch it in coming video, part of this video. Yeah, thank you guys.
What you want. what you want. What you want to do with the future. I think we're ready to move.